Hi kids, this is Mrs. Heskett. I thought I'd show you how to log in with Google when you're taking a Quizizz because we'll use this a few times. So you click on that. Anytime it's underlined, that's where I just house my things. The first thing that will come up is this screen. It'll say you'll need to register to play this game. So sign up with Google. And then I'll just play on my Forte's account because then I'm not the teacher. Then you choose the account you want to use. Use your Hoxie account. And you can click on this, and then you can, maybe you're in American literature, maybe you're in statistics. I think you only have to do like 3 of these. So just pick 3 that you're in and then hit all set, and then you'll hit start game. And I'm playing with one other person. It shows that, but it does not show the score, so don't worry about that. So start, and there's the quiz.